Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making pick your own fruit cookies. Oh yes, it is summertime and fruit is aplenty. So today I will be making my cookies with some fresh black berries. But if you prefer blueberries, throw those in. Have strawberries, cut them up. Do you like peaches instead? Sure, just cut it up into pieces. Feel free to mix them too. Imagine strawberry and peach, blackberry and strawberry. You can do whatever is to your liking because the base of this cookie, it's really a butter cookie with some lemon zest. So it's going to taste very lemony. It's going to really add a little oomph to those berries with the lemon flavor coming through. Can't wait to see what these taste like. Of course, it inspired this song. It's fresh, fresh blackberries. It's so exciting to me. Well, I hope these cookies are exciting to you too because you get to go pick your berries if you like and then make them into a yummy cookie. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Unsalted butter, sugar, salt, lemon zest. Beat until smooth, about 2 to 3 minutes. Scrape in your bowl, add your egg, vanilla, beat until just combined. Add your flour, baking powder, mix until combined. Add your fruit. Now here's the deal. You're going to add your fruit, but you're going to mix it carefully on low speed and maybe pulsing it. You don't want the fruit to fully separate completely because then you'll have, well, pastel color cookies, which are not a bad thing. But we're going to see if we cannot make our custards pastel and still have a lemon cookie with the fruit. So let's see how this goes. I'm stopping. Just gonna fold it in a little bit. I've still got some of the lemon cookie dough showing through, which is perfect. So I'm gonna stop there. Take a 2 tablespoon scoop or 2 tablespoons, scoop your dough, put it in your hand, roll it a little bit. And then you're gonna roll it in some granulated sugar. On your cookie sheet. Bake 15 to 20 minutes until the middles are set and the edges are slightly brown. The middles look set and the edges are brown. Let's take them out. Ooh, those look great. So good. Let them cool right on the pan, but you can eat these warm. Look at this delicious lemon cookie with fresh blackberries in it. Because of the sugar coating, the edges got a little caramelly too with that sugar. So let's take a bite because it's all in the taste, always. These are delicious. It is sort of like a blackberry pie, cobbler, something with lemon in a cookie. This is great. You can use whatever fruit you like. Mix it up, have a little fun, and all I have to say is yum. If I can make these pick your own fruit cookies for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, keep those recipe requests coming, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram for so much more.